Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking the niche and mapping keywords. This is the engine. Choose one niche, list 10 seed terms, then sort by intent, informational, transactional, or discovery. Once done, design 3 pillar series that solve distinct audience problems and align to those keywords. Make a simple upload cadence so you stay accountable. Do this now because relevance compounds. Google and YouTube reward topical authority. By starting with mapped intent, you avoid creating scattered content that never ranks. You now produce and optimize with intention. Script each video around 3 clear points and open using the target keyword phrase within the first 10 seconds. That signals relevance to the algorithm. Once filmed, craft a title that balances curiosity and keyword. Write a 250-word description, embedding synonyms and timestamps. Add 5 focus tags, and design a custom thumbnail that contrasts and reads at small sizes. Make sure to add chapters and a pinned comment linking related pillars. You finish by measuring and iterating. Review CTR, average view duration, and impressions to views weekly. Those metrics tell you what to change. If CTR is low, a /B test thumbnails and titles. If retention drops early, shorten the intro and hook within 5-15 seconds. Once you find patterns, scale by repurposing long videos into clips, sequencing playlists for binging, and testing small paid boosts to seed impressions. Troubleshooting tip: if growth stalls, audit topic fit. Sometimes pivoting to adjacent intent restores momentum quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.